Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best brushes for rabbits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PETPAWJOY Slicker Brush for Rabbits. Pet Paw Joy have also earned themselves a spot on our list, with this affordable and versatile pet brush. The unusual 2-in-1 design can both brush and massage your pet. Its head swivels through a full 360 degrees, locking into place in 2 different positions. When the bristles form a V shape, it's perfect for massaging. When this shape is inverted, it acts as a slicker brush. In use, the tool removes loose hair, detangles, and reaches right down to the undercoat. Whichever configuration you select, you can rest assured the brush won't hurt your pet, thanks to rounded ends on each bristle. Thanks to a grippy, ergonomic handle, it's comfortable for humans too. For easy storage, the handle also features a convenient hanging hole. Suitable for cats, dogs, and guinea pigs as well as rabbits, it's a perfect option if you share your home with more than one species. Owners say that the handy brush is simple to use and works a treat. Moving on at number 4, we have the Poodle Pet Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush for Rabbits. The next rabbit grooming brush to earn a spot on our list is this self-cleaning design from Poodle Pet. A trusted brand among grooming professionals, Poodle Pet have brought their expertise to bear on this durable and easy-to-use product. The slicker brush detangles, slicks, removes excess hair, all without hurting your pet. Thanks to its gentle but effective bristles, your pet will love the grooming process. Meanwhile, an easy grip handle ensures that owners are just as comfortable using the product. Its lightweight design also helps ensure that the brush is pleasant to use, even for those longer grooming sessions. When you're done, the brush is super easy to care for, thanks to its self-cleaning mechanism. At the touch of a button, the bristles will retract inside the handle, leaving a clump of hair that can simply be wiped away. The lightweight brush is as easy to store as it is to use. A small hole in the handle makes it easy to hang up. With regular use, this handy brush not only reduces shedding and prevents mats, it will also leave your rabbit's hair silky soft and gleaming. At number 3, we have the Katie Pro Slicker Brush. Perfect for smaller animals like rabbits and guinea pigs, this slicker brush is the perfect addition to your rabbit care regime. Small enough to help owners effectively brush all over your rabbit without catching awkward angles, while being large enough to provide your rabbit with a great brushing experience, this is the ideal choice for owners. A curved head and ergonomic grip ensure you're able to maintain your grip while brushing, while the longer teeth go deep enough to massage your rabbit. Added to this are the pliability of the teeth, which are topped with soft plastic, to help keep their skin safe during brushing. Overall, this is a good quality brush for all your rabbit brushing needs. At number 2, we have the Wear Groom-N-Kit for small animals. For a well-rounded grooming experience, this bunny grooming kit by Wear Manufacturing could be the perfect option. Featuring a bristle brush, pin brush, nail clippers, and chew toy, the collection contains just about everything you need for an easy and effective grooming session. The pin brush gently removes tangles, mats, and excess fur, reaching deep into the undercoat for a thorough grooming experience. Next, use the bristle brush to add luster and shine to your pet's coat. Both brushes are firm enough to perform their job, yet gentle enough so as not to damage your rabbit's sensitive skin. Meanwhile, the small but strong clippers make it easy to clip your pet's nails. This process can be a little tricky, but thanks to the clipper's small size, it's easy to maneuver them into place on your rabbit's nails. Regularly cutting your rabbit's claws helps ensure they don't become ingrown, and helps the animal to balance properly. Throughout your grooming session, you can distract reluctant pets using the tasty chew toy included. Owners across the board say that the kit is an excellent starting point, encouraging new owners to get into good grooming habits. And finally at number 1, we have the Timingila Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Perfect for long-haired rabbits and smaller pets, this slicker brush comes with a good range of features to help make the most out of cleaning time. The non-slip handle and additional grip allow for a smoother motion, making brushing better for your bunny. At the same time, the larger head is ideal for bigger rabbits. Best of all, the self-cleaning brush head makes short work out of cleaning your rabbit brush. Simply push down and the fur will be moved forward, meaning you don't need to spend hours defluffing your brush after every use.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon